Hi, this is Lena, and this review is going to be about Estee Lauder Pure Color Long Lasting Lipstick. So, as everybody knows, Tangerine Tango is the color of the year, and I wanted to incorporate it not only in my wardrobe, but also in my makeup. So I thought it would be very nice to go and buy bright, fun coral lipstick, and my choice fell on Estee Lauder Pure Color in Melon. So this is very beautiful, light, but still very intense coral peach. And as you can see, it looks on the lips just like it looks in the tube. But to make sure that I get an exact tube color, I use two lip liners. I use nude and orange. Nude to fill in the whole surface to cancel my original lip color, and orange to contour. You of course can use lip primer or concealer. In the result, color looks pretty incredible, bright and clear. And what I love, that it stays like that for a while after application. It doesn't really fade or changes its shade throughout the day. It's also very long-lasting, so I have to reapply this lipstick only after eating or drinking. I also love the texture of this lipstick. It's very nice, creamy and smooth, and ingredients like apricot kernel, shea butter and murumuru butter doing a great job of nourishing and moisturizing. I definitely love Estee Lauder Pure Color Long Lasting Lipstick. I think it is fantastic makeup purchase and definitely worth the money. Thank you.